Forvia Automotive 101, Forvia Faurecia locations. Forvia Automotive is a global automotive supplier that was formed in 2023 by the merger of Faurecia and Hella, two leading companies in the industry. Forvia Automotive is the 7th largest automotive supplier in the world, and the number 1 for vehicle interiors and emission control technology. Some of the history, features, and more of Forvia Automotive are: history. Faurecia was founded in 1997 by the takeover of Bertrand Ford by PSA-owned ECIA, and grew into a major player in automotive seating, interiors, and emissions control systems. Hella was founded in 1899 by Sally Windmuller, and became a pioneer in lighting and electronic solutions for the automotive sector. In 2021, Faurecia and Hella announced their intention to merge, and completed the transaction in 2023, creating Forvia Automotive. Features: Forvia Automotive offers a wide range of products and services for the automotive industry, covering 4 main areas: seating, interiors, lighting, and clean mobility. Forvia Automotive provides innovative and high-quality solutions for comfort, safety, sustainability, and customization of vehicles. Forvia Automotive also leverages its expertise in digitalization, electrification, and connectivity to shape the future of mobility. More, Forvia Automotive operates in more than 40 countries, with over 300 production sites and 35 R&D centers. It employs more than 150,000 people, and serves more than 300 customers, including major OEMs such as Volkswagen, Stellantis, Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi, Ford, General Motors, BMW, Daimler, Toyota, Hyundai, Kia, and Tesla. Forvia Automotive is also committed to social and environmental responsibility, and is a signatory of the United Nations Global Compact. Learn more. 1. Faurecia, Wikipedia. https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/Faurecia. 2. Faurecia and Hella announce the name of the world's 7th largest